The 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge. Transform your body with just 10 minutes a day. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to shed some pounds without spending hours at the gym, you're in the right place. Today, I'm introducing you to the 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge where you can transform your body with just 10 minutes a day. Let's dive in. Number 1. What is the 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge? The 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge is a simple yet effective program designed to help you lose weight by dedicating just 10 minutes each day to a workout routine. Studies have shown that short bursts of exercise can be just as effective as longer workouts when it comes to weight loss and fitness. According to a study published in the Journal of Obesity, high-intensity interval training can significantly reduce body fat in a shorter amount of time. So, why not take advantage of that? Number 2. What you'll need. Before we get started, let's talk about what you'll need for this challenge. Just grab some comfortable workout clothes, a yoga mat, and a water bottle. That's it. No fancy equipment required. Number 3. Daily structure. Each day, you'll follow a specific workout routine that targets different muscle groups. Here's a quick overview. Week 1. Full body workouts. Exercises: squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, dumbbell rows. Frequency: 3 to 4 times a week. Tips: focus on form and aim for moderate weights. Week 2. Cardio and core strengthening. Exercises: running, cycling, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, sit-ups. Frequency: 4 to 5 times a week. Tips: mix steady-state cardio with interval training. Incorporate core exercises after cardio sessions. Week 3. Strength training. Exercises: deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, pull-ups, leg press. Frequency: 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on different muscle groups. Tips: use progressive overload to gradually increase weights. Week 4. HIIT workouts. Exercises: burpees, kettlebell swings, squat jumps, high knees, sprints. Frequency: 3 to 5 times a week. Tips: keep intervals short, 20 to 30 seconds of work followed by 10 to 20 seconds of rest for an effective workout. By mixing it up, you keep your body guessing and your workouts fresh. Plus, it keeps you motivated. Number 4. Nutrition tips. Now, let's talk about nutrition. While exercise is important, diet plays a crucial role in weight loss. Aim for a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The Harvard School of Public Health recommends focusing on plant-based foods to promote weight loss and overall health. Are you ready to take on the 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's motivate each other in the comments below, share your goals, and let's make this journey together.